Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about the 5 things I wish I would know before starting with the print on demand journey. So I'm going to be talking about those 5 things probably if you put some failures. Some of the things that I wish I would know before so that I wouldn't make that mistake. So let's get started with that. Before I go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, I really appreciate that. Consider subscribing to our channel, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and we upload it, you'll be getting notified about it. And also we have the bunch of the free resources, the link are in the description box below. Simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out all the freebies that we have and make sure to check it out each month. It contains a full commercial license so you can use it for making your print on demand designs or creative interiors. Now let's talk about the 5 things I wish I had knew. Now probably it will be my first year in my print on demand journey and I feel like I should be knowing these 5 things before getting started with the print on demand journey. And I started with my print on demand journey in the beginning very first with the Redbubble. So I'm going to be sharing my 5 things that I think I wish I would knew about it, because now I realize that I know now I should have known it before starting with that. The first thing I'm going to talk about is this past print on demand field is not passive as it may sound. Yes, that's the ultimatum true. When getting started with this print on demand journey, I was watching the other YouTubers, reading the different blog articles and looking that people are talking about the passive income with the print on demand journey, with the Redbubble, with the Teepublic, and I was thinking that, oh, that's a passive income, that's amazing, and blah, 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 blah. And I started that and then I realized that it's not that passive as we talk about it, and I mean that it takes a significant amount of time and effort on a consistent basis to actually make some amount of money or a serious amount of money from the print on demand business. So it's not that passive as it may sound. I should have known this before when I was getting started with that, because I came to realize this very late when I was keep on uploading the products, keep on uploading the designs to get the sales or to get the results which I expected from my shop. And then I realized, no, it's not that kind of passive as it may sound. I am doing the active work each and every week, putting in the time and effort to create these designs, and then uploading these designs on these websites and promoting it and doing all those stuff which is important to get the sales. That passive as it may sound, I would probably say it's kind of like an active and passive. You need to do a lot of work to get a lot of results. It's not like doing just uploading 50 designs, you're gonna get thousands of dollars in your monthly sales and so on and so forth. It doesn't happen that way. So that's the first thing. The second thing I could think is having a patience, because I was looking at the other people who are getting the quick sales, like who are getting the sales within a week of starting with the print on demand shop, starting with the Redbubble shop, and they're saying that, oh, I make this shop this week, $20, $30, or I get my first sale within the first week of starting with my Redbubble shop. And I was really in a shock and I was thinking, wow, that person was getting the quick sales. So if I get started with the same thing, I would also probably getting the quick sales. And that was the wrong thing. Because people on the internet don't tell you the complete picture of what actually they did to get that first sale. They don't tell you the reality, what they actually did. Was they were having any experience before that? Did they promote it? Did they do the paid ads, or any family member bought that product? They don't tell you all those things. They just tell you the success stories and the quick success story, which kind of like intimidating and inspire us, but at the same time it feels like if that person is getting the quick sale, I also need to get the quick sales in my business. If I'm not getting it, then I'm not good enough. Probably my designs suck or my shop suck and I also suck. But that's not the case. The reality is that it's not quick and easy money making scheme. It will going to take some time, and those people who are the internet are bashing about the quick sales, probably they have some kind of marketing strategy put into the place before actually starting with their Redbubble shop. Like they were planning to start with the Redbubble shop and they have the marketing strategy put in place before starting it. So when they started with their shop, they uploaded the design, they get the sales. So that could be the reason, or maybe it's a fake. Who knows? Nobody knows about it. I don't want to emphasize too much over here, but that was the second thing that I should be realizing much more before starting with this print on demand journey. The third reason, or the third thing I wish I had knew before that, that all these are third-party platform. Of course, I was knowing this thing before that, but I wasn't expecting to get my account suspended or banned without any reason, which happened to me with the Redbubble. That was really a sad story, guys. If you don't know about it and you want to know about my Redbubble account suspension story, I'm going to leave all the videos in the card section above. You can check it out. But that was really a sad story. Without any reason, my account suspended and I didn't get my account back, and my shop is still active and people are buying the products from my shop and I'm not getting anything out of it. So that was kind of like a quite sad story, and I wasn't really expecting that. I was thinking that it was going to be amazing. It's a good trusted website. Of course, it's a good trusted website, but I was expecting that I would be can rely on them, I could depend on them, and I could make good money from that, and blah 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 blah. But the reality was that I started to get the good sales. I started to see the traffic in my shop, and the moment I see that, my account suspended. And I tried as much as I can to get my account back, but nothing ever happened. So that was the third thing that I wish I knew, that all these are third-party platforms. Like whenever they want to shut down your account or ban your account, they can do it without any reason, because it's there in the terms and policies. And when you are uploading any product, or when you are opening up a shop on their marketplace, you need to abide by the rules. You need to tick on that checkbox where it says I agree to the terms and conditions of this website, and you do that and they can do whatever they want to do with your shop. Thing that I wish I knew before that it's a roller coaster ride. I wasn't really expecting that 1 month is quite amazing, the second month it's down, then the third month is still amazing, and it's just a roller coaster ride. And we think that, oh, everything is predictable. We can predict that this month we are making $100 from the Redbubble. We can expect to make in the next month the same 100 or maybe 150, because we are uploading more designs and more products. But it doesn't happen that way. Like, it's not that as predictable as I was thinking before that. I was thinking that it's quite predictable. You just need to upload dash amount of designs to get the dash amount of the sales and all those things. But it's quite unpredictable. I think I can say from my experience that this is the thing that I ever did in my life that is so unpredictable that I can't predict it. Like, Q4 is awesome. Like, we can expect to get the amazing sales in the Q4. But what about the Q1? Q1 is quite like a deep down into the sales. So it's a roller coaster ride. And I wish I would knew this thing before starting with that, so that I can manage my emotions, I can manage my feelings and my insecurities with the shop. Because when I think that I was getting good sales in the Q4 and the Q1 my sales are down, I was like, what happened? Why my sales are down? Why I'm not getting it? Is my design suck, or nobody's finding my design, or something or the other? I was like having X amount of reasons to tell myself that my designs are not good enough, my shop is not good enough, that's why I'm not getting the sales. But that wasn't the reality. The reality was that it's a roller coaster ride, and you need to travel that roller coaster ride. You can't expect to have kind of like consistent all months. Even though you're making thousands of dollars from your print-on-demand shop, you would be having a roller coaster ride. Like, Q4 would be amazing time of the year, and then in the Q1 suddenly there is a big dip, there is a suddenly big fall in the sales. So this is a roller coaster ride. The fifth thing that I wish I would know it before starting with this print-on-demand is that it takes a lot of hard work to get the results, to get the sales. It's a lot of hard work, even for someone if you are a designer or an artist. Like, from my own personal experience, I'm a completely self-taught artist, self-taught designer, self-taught entrepreneur, business person, and all those things. So I learned a lot across in this first year with experimenting, with failing, with again doing the steps and doing it again and again until I feel like I'm gaining some momentum in that thing. So it takes a lot of the hard work to get the sales, to get the results, but it's most rewarding thing that you could ever do in your life. Like, it's the most satisfaction. Like, even if you're getting the one sale on any of your print-on-demand shop, you would feel so much satisfaction after doing that, which you didn't feel in any other thing. This is one of the most satisfying and fulfilling thing that you could ever do in your life. Yes, it is the most satisfying, I could say, because Of course, it's a lot of hard work, but there is the biggest reward. You would going to feel amazing when you're getting the sales and you feel like, oh, that design is selling. Someone bought my product, someone bought my design, they are wearing my t-shirt, they are wearing my mask, and it feels really amazing. It really feel satisfying and fulfilling. But I wish I would knew it before that it takes a lot of hard work to get the desired results, to get the desired sales. You need to do the market research, you need to find the niches, the products that actually sells, then you need to make these designs. So obviously you need to DIY which kind of tools you want to use to make these designs, and then you need to upload them, the title, tag, description, doing all research for that, then promoting it, and then expecting to get the sales. So it's a lot of the hard work, a lot of the ingredients are there to make a good recipe to get the good sales from the print-on-demand journey. But ultimately, I feel like this is one of the most amazing thing and most fulfilling and most satisfying thing that you could do ever in your life. If you love designing, if you love making these designs and uploading them and getting the sales from that. I hope that this video is really helpful to you, useful to you. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if you want more such video, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.